Hi. So, I imagine lots of you have told stories, anecdotes, or you've had to explain something to somebody and you're using the word see. Okay, I saw this, I saw that, I saw the other, I will see this, and I will see that. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of alternatives that you can use instead of the word see. And the first one we have is to notice. You can notice somebody or something. You had grand plans to go to the cinema, you arrive at the cinema and you notice that there's a huge queue to get to the place to buy the tickets. And you're like, okay, I'm going to put this off until next week. The next one would be to take a glimpse, and that is to see something like unexpectedly. So imagine you're walking in the mountains, picking mushrooms, and suddenly you see a glimpse of a fox in the distance. Something very unusual, probably. So that is something that you would see and not expect to see it. The next one would be to spot. Now, to spot is to see something that was probably difficult to see. And we use it in games such as Spot the Difference. You might have these books, no, where it says, okay, spot the 7 differences between this picture and this picture. All right? And the last one is an idiom, to lay your eyes on something or someone. The first time I laid my eyes on my English teacher, I fell in love. And of course, this happens all the time.